Hi, welcome to Com 712. It's Quantitative Analysis and Communication, and I'm Dr. Spates here giving you one of your few and final weekly checklists. It is week 17. It's been a full semester that we've had, and I just have a few things as we wrap up. As you know, we are coming to the end, and I just want to start off with a special gift for you. We are finishing the semester actually early. And we will be done this week as your final papers are submitted, and I will begin the grading process. And so we will be done early. There are no finals that we need to worry about or anything, but by next week you'll have your final grades submitted. So those of you who are graduating or wanting to have your grades in, you will know them before the deadline. And so we will be finishing things up about 1 week early. So I hope you're happy with that, and I hope as you submit your final paper that you're glad to get it all done and off your shoulders and focus on your other classwork. With that said, I do want to ask a favor of you. The online course evaluations are due. Some of you may have completed them already, but I just want to make sure that each of you take the opportunity to do that. They are very important, and I do read them. I do use them for future classes, and so your feedback is helpful, and I really do appreciate it. The goal for this class is 100% participation, so I would like each of you to participate in this assignment and make sure to complete that. It is available through My Missouri State, and because this is an online course, there is not a paper version. So please go ahead and complete that. Let's make sure to get the full feedback for this course. I really do appreciate all of your feedback, all of your comments. This is just a reminder for those of you who are still working. The countdown has begun, and we are down to the last few kind of minutes here, getting towards the end of the day. Your final paper is due tonight, this evening, by 11:59 p.m. That is Central Standard Time. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and complete those papers and get them in on time. Again, this is your final assignment. This is the last of requirements for this course, and then I will continue grading, and you will have your final grade submitted by next Monday. Expect those early grades to be in. If there are any questions and things that you have for me, you can set up an appointment, meet through email, via Zoom conference, or in person to get any kind of last minute adjustments made. So other than that, your grades will be submitted and ready to go. As always, I want to thank you for a great semester. I've enjoyed reading your papers and seeing all of your knowledge grow over the last several weeks, and it's just been a joy to have each of you. I want to thank you for your patience with me. It is not easy. I'm just going to go ahead and say this. I've talked to some of you about this already, but it is not easy at all to have a methods course in the online format. And so I really do appreciate all of the questions and clarifications that you have asked for, and I hope you were able to learn at least a little bit about quantitative research. I hope some of you enjoyed it. I have really enjoyed reading your papers, and I wish you all the best. If you're graduating, congratulations, and if you are returning next semester, I hope that we run into each other and have a chance to catch up. I wish you all a great summer semester, and I will be returning for my final video in week 18 just to announce that final grades have been submitted and that we are officially done with the course. See you next week.